Oh no, okay. Alright, let's see how I'm looking on the camera. My shoes on. Oh, some heels. Oh, get in the middle. I love this little thing. All those clothes is like tops and shit that I'm gonna have on. Okay, so today, you guys, I'm going to cut my phone off, and so I'm going to be trying on some clothes that I got from SHEIN, of course. And these clothes are for the next campaign that I plan on doing. I know that I have a Christmas backdrop, so I tried to do a Christmas photo shoot yesterday. I may retry it again today since I have my makeup on. I usually don't wear makeup this freaking much. But anyways, let me cut on all of the lights because this is just really the ceiling lights. And let me get a clip of that. I also added the shop lights above. And so I'm gonna cut on all of my studio lights. So yeah. This floor is so hard. Like, okay, so that's the light. Oh, it needs to be turned this way. Yeah. So that's the light that comes behind me. Then I have a light that makes sure that my bottom portion of my body is lit because that's a big thing. And then I may open up my blinds because that adds more light. Let's see. But usually, okay, this is good because usually when I shoot a video, the lighting be really good, and I have been looking at my monitor this whole time. But anyways, so as of now, let me walk up close to the camera. So okay, you can't even really tell light is better. So this is a shirt that I customized and I put a bird on it. And I have more like that. And I got these shirts from SHEIN. I just was practicing with my Cricut. I think that's how you say it. Or is it Circuit? One of those. So I really love this backdrop. But anyways, so I'm just going to go and change into the first outfit. Then I'll be right back. I might have to put my girdle. I call them girls. They really like shapewear, but so yeah, this is so exact. Wait, I forgot some of these outfits. I would need a top for, so I'm glad that I did have my extra clothes here. This video would have looked so much better if I would have like so I'll try this one. Got these shoes on them as well. Am I the only girl that like heels that you have to lace up in a pattern or in a fashion? I'm not gonna never mind. I don't want to fall in this thing in this video. I don't have enough. I still have my wig band on. Wow. That's crazy. Okay. Let me take the wig band off. The girls that wear heels like all of the time, yeah. Somebody told me that Mariah Carey said that her feet hurts when she don't wear heels. I used to. How did I not feel it? Oh yeah, can y'all see? Ooh, lace wear. And I really glue. I just okay. These heels do not feel bad. Like they have a I think I got the mic. So the heels, they have like cushion. Now I feel it. I didn't feel it when I was like touching them, but these heels, they have like well, I do have them strapped in, but I don't have thick ankles. So if you don't have thick ankles, you'll have to pop. I don't know if y'all ever this deep, but you'll probably have to pop more holes because the holes don't go all the way around. I definitely have to do that for myself. This is the first time that I've gotten like, I guess you call this like a houndstooth type of pattern, and it's wrinkled. Cause you know most houndstooths. I'm gonna put the word on the screen. I just feel like I'm not pronouncing this correctly, but most clothes like this, they be so thick, so it's really kind of hard for it to wrinkle. If I'm making any type of sense. My dad was like, let's just throw y'all clothes in a bag and just ship it to you. So hopefully, I will be able to steam this when I actually do my photo shoot, and if I actually wear like out. But I will give these SHEIN heels. I'll go ahead and give it to her. No, I have to walk. So right now I'm giving like an 8 because they do feel like the most sturdiest SHEIN heels that I have, because a lot of the ones that I do have, like granted they are block, but they kind of like shift. Like the ones that are here, when I stand in these, they go back. Like they slide on the floor like backwards. So it's like I have to stand in them like perfect and correctly, if that makes any type of sense to y'all. But yeah, these are a hazard, but they're not really that tall. These are way taller, but they feel way more sturdier just by me standing here, because even with me just standing in place, those heels are dangerous. And my hair keep getting on my lips. Y'all know anything about fresh lip gloss and hair? But yeah, I like the outfit. Hopefully I can like steam it, or maybe when I wash it, throw it in the dryer, the wrinkles come out, or maybe like iron it. I have never gotten houndstooth material and it be wrinkled. So if y'all got any tips, because it's gonna be a while before I even wear this. Let me see. Pockets are fake. It has a zipper on the side. It fits me like perfectly. Is it a size? Oh yeah, these heels, after I poke my hole in them, I think I give them a 10 out of 10. They do, like I said, got a cushion in them. They are more arched than the heels that I have been wearing lately. The heels that I've been wearing lately have been way shorter. So yeah. So let me know what y'all rate this outfit. Like, what is it giving? Yes, the pocket, all of the pockets, my face. And we're back live. So, yes, I bought this. Oh wow, this is. Let me see for you guys. So, yeah, as I can see in my shirt, a little freaking skirt. Wow. Good. Okay. Maybe put it some. All it is including my camera. Okay, let's just do it here. Some pictures. So it appears as if you're like, oh my, she chose 2 videos. Okay. I feel like the black or the clear heels would be cute. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to buy this suit. This is insane. Well, I got a suit. Wait, I'm rambling. But what do I think that's gonna do? I really don't even know how to do this already. Now, let's switch up to I feel like I am low-key giving like news reporter. I don't know. Okay, so for the other outfit, my mic died out. And now I'm starting to get hungry. All these lights got me hungry. But anyways, this is what outfit we're in? We're in the third outfit. So we're in the third outfit. And I feel like this is, like presidential. At least like almost first lady. I was gonna say title. But yeah, so I'm gonna put these toy heels back on. Yeah, I really do not recommend. I think the only other time I wore these heels was I did a Valentine's Day event, and I stayed at the front. I stayed at the front of the venue, and yeah, I really didn't move. I walked from side to side. I'm watching myself on the screen, y'all. What do y'all think? I thought my phone was being recorded. Okay. But yeah, this is that outfit. Straight up. And is this damn thing recording? Oh my goodness, it's been recording this whole time. Ooh. Okay, y'all. So we're on to this dress. Honestly, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I've been having this dress for years. Since my college graduation, and I had it because I wanted to take graduation pictures in it. I majored in business, and I wanted to give something really nice, really luxurious. So the camera is kind of making it look blue. It's in the blue family, but it's like cute. So this is the dress. And so I think because I graduated college like 2020, 2020, I think. She don't even sell this dress anymore. And I also had a black one. I want to show y'all. I have grown into these dresses, especially the top area. Yeah, because I think I could fit this dress at first, but I know for sure I could not really fit that black one, like talking about like. Okay, y'all, so this was the last outfit, and I had the hardest freaking time yesterday putting this on. Yes, I do have on a strap-up bra with this. Yesterday I had on a strapless bra with my girdle. That's what I had on with it. Bro, this material, the corset part, is so stretchy, but it's hard to zip it up. So what I had to do was, even somebody, they couldn't even zip me up in it. Like, I had to twist it around in front of me just so I could zip it. I don't know what the difference was or nothing, but this is not hard. I'm gonna take a picture. You're gonna think, I feel like that this would be like silky and like hard, more so as like framing, having its own shape. That's what I thought. No, It's like a spandex cotton type of material, and then the bottom is like silky, really nice. This is more so fitted, like you literally for your okay. So all of the outfits that I have. So for your bottom, if you have a bigger bottom than I do, please get a large. If you have a big bottom, it's stretchy. I don't know really. So I measure 40, 30, because I blowed. But without me blowing, it's like 27. So yeah. So do with that what you will, and then down here 35. So those are my measurements. And then yeah. I fuck with it. What do y'all think? Should I follow my arms? Would y'all let me follow Texas? I don't want to follow. I don't even want to follow my own day. So yeah, I thought I showed my outfits, but I guess this one was like, girl, you're gonna say put this for last. I really do like these. Yes, I still have on my strap bra because but I really do like this, and put the toy heels back on. But yeah, wait a minute, pockets are real. We got real pockets. What do we think? I fuck with it. I ain't even gonna lie. It is 360. And of course, it's a size medium. I do have a big chest, so they're saying a lot for big chest girls. I also got this thermal top from SHEIN as well. It's super thick, very, very comfortable. It's super soft. I thought I was getting the set because I wanted like another camping type of video or whatever. But anyways, it's really tight. Well, it's not tight, but you know, it's kind of compression material. Super thick. It hugs the body, and as y'all can see, it's really on my joggers. Oh, and these joggers came from SHEIN. Not this time. I placed this order like months ago when I got these joggers. So yeah, these are cheap. So you can't really complain. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I didn't really even curl my hair that good. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say this, but thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked the video.